Smooth, bold, and a little bit wild, the Espresso Martini isn't just a cocktail, it's a legend in a glass. Let's shake things up with 5 fascinating facts about where it all began. Fact 1. Born in 1980s London at Fred's Club in Soho, thanks to bartender extraordinaire Dick Bradsell, the same genius who created the Bramble. Fact 2. A young model, rumored to be Naomi Campbell, walked up to his bar and asked for a drink that would wake her up and then mess her up. Dick grabbed vodka, fresh espresso, and Kahlua, and boom, cocktail history was made. Fact 3. Despite its sophisticated name, there's zero martini DNA here. No gin, no vermouth. It's pure vodka, coffee liqueur, fresh espresso, and sugar syrup shaken with ice until frothy. Fact 4. Those 3 coffee beans floating on top? They're not just pretty, they symbolize health, wealth, and happiness in Italian tradition. Fact 5. After lying dormant for years, it exploded back onto the scene in the 2010s social media era, becoming Instagram's most photogenic cocktail and proving that coffee plus alcohol equals pure magic. So next time you sip that creamy foam, remember, you're drinking liquid history with a serious caffeine kick. Want to master 50-plus espresso martini variations? Grab our book, The Art of Espresso Martinis, link in bio. Hit that like button, share with your cocktail-loving friends, and drop a comment below telling us your favorite espresso martini twist.